Hey guys, so one of the biggest opportunities if you are talking about different chains and different projects in crypto is the Ton blockchain, the TON, basically the Telegram blockchain, the Telegram network made by Telegram. And why this is the next big thing is because, as you may know, Telegram is one of the most used applications in the whole world, not only USA, not only Europe, but the whole Russia. I don't know about China, but this is one of the most used platform on the internet, and that's the main reason why this specific chain will go so much higher. Although the market cap right now is around $18 billion and the price is $7, I still think it will basically come close to Solana. Telegram is the most used, like one of the most used applications on the internet, and they can get so many more, even billions of users, not millions, because Telegram is so widespread in the whole world. It doesn't take much to basically reach a big adoption. And one of the reasons I'm saying this is because the hamster combat Telegram based, the Ton blockchain based game has reached around 200 million players. The biggest crypto game right now. I think it has surpassed the Pixels, which was the biggest crypto game in 2023, but right now it is the hamster combat. And I'm not surprised because there are many Telegram users, and it will be really easy for the Ton blockchain to onboard new people. And there are many great projects, for example Toncoin, that surpassed $2 billion in market cap, and there will be many more projects that reach billion dollar market caps. That's why my advice is basically don't fade the Ton blockchain, because it is made by the Telegram. You can see the CEO of Telegram posting on Twitter so much about this new blockchain, and they are already making their own layer 2 chain, which is bullish. And the best part is that Bitcoin has dumped below 60,000. Right now it is at 57,000. It went 59, but it basically got back down. But these little Bitcoin jumps up and down really don't matter, because as you may already know, the institutions are actually buying these dips. Institutions already spent around $600 million buying this current dip, and basically buying the Bitcoin ETFs, not the Bitcoin itself, but the holding companies, how to buy the Bitcoin itself. That's why the price will go up sooner or later. The thing that most people don't realize is that institutions and smart money right now, they are following the 4-year cycle. That's why the Bitcoin price will not go that low. After summer's over, it will go to 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. It will surpass 100,000 in 2025. And my personal goal for the next 2 days is go deep in the Ton blockchain, research the undervalued projects, go deep, basically look at the whole ecosystem, because this ecosystem will get so big when we are in the next bull run euphoria, which probably will happen in 2025. And yeah, I think this could be the next Solana. And if you were early in a Solana, you got big gains. And I think this the same applies about the Ton blockchain. It is not yet adopted as the Solana is, but it will be, because Telegram again is one of the biggest applications in the world. There is no application for Solana or Ethereum or Bitcoin that is as big as Telegram. And it doesn't take much for the Telegram team to do some integrations, so people how to use the token, or how the ability to pay with the Ton token, or basically get some airdrops by playing games like Hamster Combat, which is a really simple game. You just have to tap, and you're basically you can basically claim your airdrop later. That's really easy way to adopt new people. So that's basically my advice for the day. Don't fade the Ton blockchain, and you can join my Patreon channel, where I post every new alpha I find, and I find new alpha every day. Also, like this video, drop a comment, and thanks for watching.